welcome back to my YouTube channel.
1, 2, 3, funk it.
Today's video is really close to my heart because it's my sister's birthday vlog. I wanted to make one for myself, but then your birthday, Anika, had a lot of assignments piled up and online classes going on, so I couldn't make one. Or 1 week முன்னாடி I decided, okay, அக்காவோட பர்த்டேக்கு வந்து ஒரு vlog பண்றோம் அப்படின்ட்டு. So I made one. Okay, I made one. I'm not really sure how the video has come out. It is October 7th today, which is my sister's birthday. I wanted to post this video today, but I decided to film today also, like a few clips, so I couldn't. I know I look really tired right now. We just got back home after the birthday dinner, and this right here is my sister's birthday gift from me and my dad. Yeah, so you'll see in the video, and without any further delay, let's move on to the video. It feels really good to be in mall after 8 freaking months, and my sister's inside the shop. She's in there, and we're birthday shopping for her. So yeah, let's see. And she doesn't know that I'm filming today. Okay, my sister's still in West Side, and my dad and I are going to Nykaa to get some makeup for her. So let's see. I have no idea about makeup, like literally nothing. I'm just going. Returning from Nykaa, we're on the way to H&M. My dad's going in the front and he selected this palette. I was like totally confused if I have to get the pink one or the mercury thing, and my dad was like, okay, just go with anything, and I like blue, the turquoise color, so I went with the mercury palette. I don't know, I'm not sure if she likes it, but I really hope she does. Let's go inside H&M. These are the clothes that my sister and I chose. We have to finalize it yet. My mom's looking after it. Mom, say hi. The lighting is not really good here, but I just got out of H&M and my sister's still in. Akka nalo dress vandu seekra choose pannave mudiyadhu, so amma vandu am kuda irukanga. I took all the baggage and I'm waiting out. We are here and people are staring at me and so we're waiting for the order, and I haven't decided what I'm eating yet. I'll show you guys, okay? And I decided to eat here. I just ordered, so I'll show you once it comes. My mom and dad's waiting there for me. Let's go. Got my order. My favorite store. It is Miniso. Let's go in. My sister's already in. Let us go in. Every time we come to Miniso, we end up buying something or the other. Like every time it happens, but still we keep coming here. Until next time. Okay, this is my favorite store. Like, okay, it's my another favorite store. I always come here every time I come to Prozone. But now we're going to Sapna's because the other time when I came, my sister was there with me, so I couldn't get few stuff. So I got that thing that I need from Sapna's, and I'm rushing down because I said Ananya that I'm going to go to the restroom. Okay. I bought a few more pink things because she's a fan of pink. Okay, my head. Okay, yeah. So I bought a few more pink things, and I'm going to Nika because she's there. We're actually returning home now, and the weather is so good. It is gloomy. One reason that I love Coimbatore. And Mom, okay? Yes, Mom. This is the mess that I've created on the dining table right now. My mom has taken my sister out so that I can prepare her gift. Like, I've added, this is the main gift. Okay, and I've added little like bits of papers, and I have also added like the teal ones because the palette is actually Mercury one, and this is a mica box. I'm taking it all to this room. I'm gonna put it here, and yeah, I'm gonna set this up here. I wish this wall was painted, but no, it's really dirty. But I've got no other place to set up. And these are the goodies I'm gonna unbox and put it on the wall. I got them from the party shop from Instagram. There's the Instagram store. I'll leave it in the description box below if you want to check out. And my mom's packing this. I'm not really sure if the lighting is fine because I'm in my Tata's room. And Pink is a gift. இதுக்குள்ளார வந்து அந்த pink color வாங்க pink color things நான் உள்ள துணி வச்சிருக்கேன், and I'm gonna write a few quotes or like cute things on these post-it notes and put it in. And the brilliant me forgot to remove the price tag, the freaking price tag. So I made this like the first one says you are beautiful, and the second one says happy birthday 15k Insta fam, and you are worthy, you are enough. So I made like cute notes on all these, and there are a few more inside. Box that I made for her, which has all those pink things, and this is the decoration. This is how it turned out. And inge konja lanterns and all is there. Like the theme is almost like gold and pink, just gold and pink. Yep. I also put few lanterns on the way upstairs. So this is my outfit for my sister's birthday. I had a bad hair day today, so bun. And my sister's clicking pictures of her cake. I want to show my outfit really quickly, so here we go. Happy birthday! Video, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching the vlog, and if you did, don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. And have a great day, guys. Bye. Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome